Welcome guys, welcome to how to do it. Today we're gonna talk about that if your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot is on and you are not able to connect it on your laptop, or your internet is not working even if your Wi-Fi is connected. I'm Gogi from how to do it, and first of all requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. What we have to do, first of all, as you can check out, this is our mobile phone. Over here we have to go to drop downs, and over there we have to go to the Wi-Fi functions. From there we have to choose this hotspot option and switch it on first of all if it's off, and after that we have to click on setup portable hotspot, and over there you have to change the Wi-Fi hotspot name. This is a request, please change Pro Max. I just changed the name, and after that change the password if you want, and if you don't want to put any password you have to choose this security option and click on none, otherwise choose WPA2 personal. And after that don't hide your SSID, otherwise you won't able to find your Wi-Fi network. Click on the saving icon, and after that click on this one time data limit. If is there data limits, then please remove that. If it's on, please remove this option, because if you on this settings, then you won't able to use internet more than the limit set by you. So keep in mind that don't set any data limits. After that restart your mobile phone, and after that you have to go to your laptop, and over there you have to off this Wi-Fi first of all. After that on this Wi-Fi, and you will find your new Wi-Fi hotspot option over here. As you can check out, this one is the new option. Click on that, click on connect. It will start connecting. You have to enter the password. The password is very easy. Have you ever entered password like this? And click on next, and after that click on yes, and voila, your internet has just connected. As you can check out, the internet is working well. Now this is the process how you can easily set up or change your Wi-Fi password. Hope you understood that how you can easily do that. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with their family and friends, not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon, and don't forget to comment below that how you liked this video. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.